Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoTo Meeting account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you end a meeting in your GoTo Meeting account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Well, why would you want to end a meeting anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a meeting in GoTo Meeting and all of the participants have already left and you want to go ahead and shut it down, whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoTo account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. So I've already logged into my GoTo Meeting and this is the home screen. So if you want to end a meeting, there's actually a couple of different ways you can do it. So first off, you can go ahead and do it in the browser that's holding the meeting. So you can see right here. So any kind of participants would be still here. But if you want to go ahead and just end it, you're going to go ahead and leave session by clicking on this button. Once you do that, you're going to get two options, leave session or end session for all. So to end the meeting, you're going to click on end session for all. However, if you don't have this open, the app, what you're going to do is go to your GoTo Meeting account here. And then on the left side, you're going to click into the meeting that's happening. So right here, once you click into the meeting, you're going to see this red end this meeting button. Click on there. Once you do that, you're going to get a pop-up asking you to confirm that you'd like to end the meeting for everyone. Go ahead and click on end the meeting. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the meeting has ended. You're going to see this little pop-up confirmation down here on the bottom left as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to end a meeting in GoTo Meeting, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.